Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool mix one right here, and basically what these are some stainless steel mixing bowl. And the cool thing about this one right here is the fact that it actually comes with a lid, and each one of the lid is different color. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that each one of these come with a lid, and they basically have each one of these in different size. So like a small, a bigger one, and even a bigger one right here. So I just want to use this like serving stuff, for making salad, or making fruits, or even if you guys want to wash vegetable or whatever, you can definitely do all that on here. But in terms of the size that's on here, they mention how it's 18 centimeters to 26 centimeters in terms of how big each one is. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open it up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, you can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So you definitely see all the bowls inside, but let's take it out. Alright, so when you take it out, you can see all the lids right here, and all the bowls are inside right here. Alright, so here is the first one, which is the smallest lid, and then the bowls are inside. Here is the next bigger one. Here is the third one. Here is the fourth one. And then here's the fifth one, which is the biggest one right here. And once we take that out, you guys can see all the other bowls right here. So we have the smallest one right there and the biggest one right here. And the cool thing about all these bowls right here, if you guys can see the bottom layer right here, it definitely has that silicone bottom that's non-slip as well. So when you guys are putting it on the flat surface, it won't keep moving around like a regular stainless steel bowl. So I'm actually take out all of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so here is the first one. So if you guys put the lid on top right here. Alright, so when you guys close it up, this is basically what it actually looks like. So here's the non-slip bottom that I mentioned. And then here's the top layer of the lid. And the way how to design the lid right here, they do have the little opening. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to open up the lid if you guys need to. And also for all these lids right here, it is airtight sealed. So once you guys put it on the lid, it actually keeps the product fresh inside. So if you guys have like a leftover, if you guys want to put it in the fridge, you can definitely use this lid right here to actually cover up and put it into the fridge. But here is the first one, which is the biggest one right here. Close back up the lid. Alright, so here is the next bigger one. If I can see a side-by-side comparison of both of them, you can definitely see how much bigger the bottom one is compared to this one right here. Now let me show you guys the third one. Alright, so this is what the third one looks like. If I put that one right there, you guys can see the side-by-side comparison. So this one right here is slightly bigger than this one right here. Here is the fourth one. So this one's much smaller than the other one, if I can see. And when I show you guys the side-by-side comparison, this is basically what all four of these look like. And the cool thing about each one, the lid is all different colors, so that way I know which one is which. But now let me show you the last and final one right here, and then put the lid on top as well. Alright, so here is the smallest one right here. And this one's like a light blue color. When I put all them together, you guys can see the side-by-side comparison of all of these of what it actually looks like. So the orange one, which is the bottom one, is definitely the biggest one right here. But when you guys compare like the other one right here in the middle, it's almost about the same. And these two right here definitely has a slight difference, if you guys can see. So this is basically everything that's included in the package. If you guys can see, when we try to move it around, it won't move because of that non-slip or silicone material in the bottom. So that's actually really cool and really convenient. So when you guys are mixing stuff inside for like salads or fruits or whatever, or even like marinating stuff, it actually keeps it flat on the table and won't keep moving around, which is super convenient. But basically for this whole set, if I can see, this is basically what's included inside. And when it comes to maintaining and cleaning the product, it's really easy as well. You just have to open up the lid and wash everything from the inside, outside, and also the lid as well. And you just have to leave it out to dry, and it's basically all ready to use again next time. But it's definitely really cool how to provide you guys all these containers right here, so that way it's more than enough to use for different situations. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these mixing bowls, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if I cook a lot or if you guys bake a lot at home, then this is definitely super worth it. I've literally been using these almost every single day for like marinating stuff, washing vegetables, washing salad, washing fruit. Basically, I've been using this for almost everything every single day. I've been loving these a lot. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually doing. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.